टिकटॉक देखने का टाइम होता है तो इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए भी टाइम निकाल लो, बिकॉज दिस कैन हैपन विद एनीवन एनीवेयर एनी टाइम। तो शेयर दिस वीडियो। हे गाइस, टुडेज वीडियो इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ फेस कैम वीडियो, क्योंकि मैं अभी 3:30 बजे शूट कर रहा हूँ रात के, और मेरी हालत ऐसी है कि तुम लोग कमेंट करके बोलोगे भाई क्या फूक के बैठा है। सो नो, सो फॉर लीगल मैटर्स आई कैन नॉट डिस्क्लोज कि स्टोरी के किरदार कौन कौन थे। सो लेट्स नेम आर कैरेक्टर्स। सो देर आर 3 कैरेक्टर्स इन द स्टोरी: जारविस, बाबू भैया एंड इब्बू हटेला। सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, बाबू भैया को जाना होता है एक रिलेटिव के घर हु क्या करता है रे तेरी, हु लिव्स इन, लेट्स कॉल इट वकांडा, क्योंकि ये रियल लोकेशन में डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकता। तो बाबू भैया कॉल्स जारविस कि कैन ही गेट अ लिफ्ट टिल वकांडा. So Jarvis and बाबू भैया are traveling in Ford Scavia car. You are smart enough, नाम इधर का उधर करो, मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता. So the road till Wakanda is very good, but there is a 50 kilometers का patch which is a 2-lane road, and a lot of Naxalite camps have been reported over there. So because of this, the road is heavily guarded with police checkpoints and patrolling vans. हेलो, अरे कुछ नहीं रे, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था। बोलना। हाँ बोल, एडिट हो जाएगा, बोलना बोलना। So where did I leave the story? So Jarvis keeps on traveling on this same road and he told Babu Bhaiya that something was really off. रोड पे एक भी पुलिस वाला नहीं है, even though there was barricades, but not a single police officer. What Babu Bhaiya thought was it might be because it is very late, and that is very dumb of him to think that. Why I said that Babu Bhaiya is dumb to think so, because पुलिस चेक पॉइंट्स रात को ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं. So Jarvis is driving and it is so pitch black that the potholes are getting even bigger and bigger, and ड्राइविंग करने में मुश्किल हो रही थी जारविस को. इसके वजह से they were not over speeding, they were like maintaining a speed of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, and then they discovered something really scary. So what they were looking at was a Ata Tindika car standing in front of them. The parking lights were on, but surprisingly कार के सारे जो विंडोज़ थे वो सारे फोड़ दिए थे, एंड कार के हज़ार्ड लाइट्स ऑन थे, टायर्स गायब थे. सो वॉट जारविस टोल्ड बाबू भैया इज़ दैट यहाँ पे 100% डकैती हुई है. सो स्टे एज लो की एज पॉसिबल. म्यूज़िक सिस्टम सब बंद कर दिया था उन लोगों ने, एंड दे वेर गोइंग वेरी कॉशियसली, क्योंकि नाउ दे वेर स्कैर्ड. Now, Jarvis tells Babu Bhaiya and Ibbu Hatela. Yes, Ibbu Hatela is also now in the story. He was sitting behind all this time. कि you have to stay quiet, and अगर कुछ भी दिखता है उसके लिए react नहीं करना है. You have to stay as low key as possible. So Babu Bhaiya and all 3 of them, they passed that car, and there was a sound. टायर फटने का आवाज़ आया, और टायर फटने के साथ साथ कुछ और फटने का भी आवाज़ आया. So Jarvis comes out of the car and checks out. So it seems that tire फट चुका था, because there might have been some things on the road, but वकांडा के लिए निकलने से पहले they checked their car and the car was perfectly fine. So Jarvis sits in the car and tells that something is serious over here. And at this time there was not a single car on this road. मतलब कुत्ता भी दिख नहीं रहा था. So what Jarvis decides is that they will roll at a very slow speed, क्योंकि गाड़ी में ट्यूबलेस टायर थे and they can go till some kilometers. So they start going, and now another sound starts coming, that is टायर का rim touch हो रहा है, like the rubber is gone. So somehow Jarvis takes the car to the side, and now Babu Bhaiya, Ibbu Hatela and Jarvis, they are stranded on a middle of the road. कोई नहीं है वहाँ पे, complete forest and Naxalite area. So now that they are sitting inside the car, they saw one headlight approaching from the back, and it was like a bike. There were 3 men, 2 of them got down, and the third guy took the bike ahead, and he vanished in the dark. अब ये टाइम पे बाहर 2 लोग खड़े, कार के अंदर 3 लोग खड़े हैं. So Jarvis had his window rolled up, but he kept some space so that the air could come in. One guy was looking at the tires, and the second guy approached the driver's seat where Jarvis was sitting. So this guy, he comes to Jarvis and he starts talking. He even tries to make conversation with Babu Bhaiya, but Babu Bhaiya was wearing a hoodie. Yes, it is very weird to see him in a hoodie, but yes, he was wearing a hoodie. So he did not make any conversation, but it was a very brilliant idea. So Jarvis is texting someone कि क्या situation हो गई है, and तभी this man puts his hand inside the window and tries to snatch away Jarvis's phone. At that same moment Jarvis ने window roll up कर लिया, which is a very brilliant thing, and फोर वो बंदे ने छोड़ दिया and उसका हाथ बाहर चले गया. अभी सारी windows are tightly closed and doors are locked. So these people started banging on the windows and said ki give whatever money you guys have, and so they got a little scared. They called the police, but police never picked up their calls. Call was coming busy. So what Ibbu Hatela from behind pointed at was कि एक बंदा सामने जाके बड़ा सा एक पत्थर लेके आने के लिए जा रहा था. सो दैट स्कैर्ड देम अ लॉट. एंड उसके बाद वो बंदा आता है, उसके हाथ में एक पत्थर था मीडियम साइज का, एंड ही बैंग्ड इट ऑन द विंडो बहुत ज़ोर से. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड? लग गए लग गए